The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Staten Island in southeast New York until 3:30 p.m. At 1:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Staten Island County, New York. Here is a special